Maths Standard 4. Geometric figures. Here the slide. This is the slide. Slide makes an angle with the ground. This is the ground. The slide makes an angle with the ground. So this is the angle. This is the angle. The slide makes an angle with the ground. The slide also makes an angle on the other side also. So this is the other angle. Here also the slide makes an angle. The vertical pole makes an angle with the ground. This is a right angle. Vertical poles always make right angles. The girl is pointing at the angle which the ladder makes with the vertical wall of the house. So this is the vertical wall. This is the wall and this is the ladder makes an angle with the wall. So this is the angle which is the ladder makes. This is the angle here we have the angle which the ladder makes with the wall, vertical wall. This is the wall of the house. Wall. The branches also make angle between them. So these two branches, this and this, these two branches are making an angle. The main trunk and the branch, they also form an angle. The main trunk and the branch, here also they form an angle. Here the two branches are forming an angle. These two branches are forming an angle. Here you can see there is an angle between the girl and her arm. So this is the angle which the girl makes with her. This electric pole, this is the electric pole. These are the wires going. These are the wires. This is the pole, the electric pole. It makes, this is the ground, ground, ground. So the electric pole makes an angle 90 degrees or right angle with the ground. These are the real life examples of angles. This is the compass with which we draw a circle. This compass is used to draw a circle. Compass, it is used to draw a circle. He is doing yogasana and this is the angle which is made by his body with the legs. The clock makes an angle. The arms, when they rotate, they make an angle. The electric pole, so the wires make an angle with the pole. The pole makes an angle with the ground. Here the staircase makes an angle with the column. This is the column and this is the staircase for going up. So this is the angle. A pair of scissors. So this is the angle formed. The vertically opposite angle is on the top. To the right also it forms an angle. To the left also it forms an angle.